Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Cynical. Cynical means distrustful of human integrity. For example, he was brutally cynical and hardened to every sob story under the sun. He was brutally cynical and hardened to every sob story under the sun. Synonyms: bitter, resentful, cynical.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. I've had a cynical attitude to relationships for 10 years. Now, repeat after me. I've had a cynical attitude to relationships for 10 years. The second exemplar. His limited opportunities add to his bitter, cynical attitude towards life. Now, repeat after me. His limited opportunities add to his bitter, cynical attitude towards life. The third exemplar. Americans tend to be pretty cynical about politicians and think corruption is widespread. Now, repeat after me. Americans tend to be pretty cynical about politicians and think corruption is widespread.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.